Welcome to our set of tips on hardwood flooring installation in Centennial, Colorado. In this video, we will walk you through the process of installing hardwood flooring in your home. These tips will provide you with valuable insights to ensure a successful installation. Before we get started, it's important to gather all the materials that we need for the project after measurements have been taken. This includes hardwood flooring planks, underlayment, adhesive, nails, a saw, a tape measure, a hammer, a pry bar, a nail gun, and safety equipment such as gloves and goggles. Make sure to have everything on hand before proceeding to the next steps. The next step is to prepare the subfloor for hardwood installation. This involves removing any existing flooring, ensuring the subfloor is clean and level, and fixing any uneven spots. Properly preparing the subfloor is essential for a smooth and durable hardwood flooring installation. Once the subfloor is ready, it's time to install the underlayment. The underlayment provides a moisture barrier and helps reduce noise. It also serves as a cushioning layer that enhances the durability and comfort of your hardwood flooring. Follow the manufacturer's instructions while installing the underlayment for optimal results. Now comes the exciting part, laying the hardwood flooring. Start by measuring and marking the layout of the room, allowing for expansion gaps along the walls. Begin laying the planks, following the desired pattern and using an adhesive or nail gun to secure them in place. Take your time to ensure a precise and accurate installation. After the hardwood flooring is laid, it's time to add the finishing touches. This includes adding transitions between rooms, which will give your installation a polished look. Finally, make sure to clean up the work area, removing any debris or excess materials. Hardwood Flooring, Centennial, Colorado. Enjoy the beauty it will bring to your home.